Mastering the art of exporting in After Effects is the golden key to sharing your creative vision with the world. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, open up your After Effects project. Make sure your composition is selected in the composition panel. This is the timeline where all your edits and effects come together. Now, head up to your top menu bar, click on Composition, and then select Add to Render Queue. This is where the magic begins. The Render Queue panel will open. At the bottom you'll see details about your composition and your export settings. This is crucial, so pay attention. Let's customize the settings. Starting with render settings, click on Best Settings. Don't worry about changing these unless needed. We'll keep these basic unless the project requires differently. Now, on to the most exciting part. Click on Lossless. This takes you to the Output module. This is where you'll change the export settings and select a file format. Click on the word lossless to open this customization menu. Under Format, you can choose your video format for general sharing on social media or YouTube. Select H.2.6 for or QuickTime. These formats are commonly used online. If you're exporting an animation, choose a different format like Animation with Alpha. For an export formatted for YouTube, choose H.2.6. for this is your common codec for web. Click OK once you've made your choice. Next, click on the word Untitled next to Output. This opens a window where you can choose the file name and destination folder for your exported video. Name your file cleverly. Finally, click the Render button. At the right-hand side of the Render Queue panel, you'll see a progress bar indicating the render time. Once the render is complete, locate your exported video in the folder you specified. Congratulations, you've successfully exported from After Effects. Now you can share your masterpiece with the world.